format. Today we eat lasagna. No, not lasagna. Eggplant parmesan. Yummy.
Sola. What's coming, Goshi?
Nothing.
Can I go?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Okay. Raining.
Let me guess, Goshi's is going back to bed.
No.
You up for the day, Goshi's?
I think so. Maybe just need more coffee. Or some Coke. Wow. Now it's raining or snow will disappear. Today is 60 to be 54. Soon will be spring.
Going to Home Depot, Goshi's?
No. For what?
It's going to look kind of fun. I think that's a no. Hello?
What?
I take it that's a no. Cheerios.
What? Oh, bucket.
What?
Bucket.
You like buckets, don't you?
Yes. Flowers.
To the point where you never know what show it's going to be sometimes. You know we got a smart bed now too?
Yeah, I think so. Oh look, night lamp. which is smart one, I think.
Who you like coming in here? Who you kidding?
For some things like this, lamps or something. Or
What is this cushion? Storage chest, $400.
Storage? Oh, cleaning things. Smell nice. What is it? That's
This is just
boring.
the cord.
But here are some things. Okay. I will be here. Okay. Cleaning. There's a count splash
No,
bar.
that's cardboard or something like that. See? So can you imagine putting something like that behind it and then just putting real
Yeah.
tiles where you can see it? Or even, come here, I'll show you
It
that.
will be cheap.
Yeah, exactly. You get the look. But
Yeah.
I want to ask for these. We'll go to that pop culture in a second. I want to ask for these.
I check how much this cost. It doesn't work.
Think about the answer. Think long ones, I mean, they're kind of old person. Yeah, quite fine. I know the answer.
Design people they do that for the
Just to cut a hole?
Oh, paper. Nice. Oh, here you have this kind.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Oh,
talking
you
about.
could paint the cabinets, put this.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want to do.
Yeah, little refresh inside.
That's why I was thinking on just getting a piece of wood. See, this is shaker. This is what shaker is, see? I like this design, but it'll cost too much money to put in it.
But even paint with paint, and you have new cabinets. I think
that's what I'm
paint is
saying.
better than making.
Huh?
Paint is better.
Paint the ones we have, but you get a paint laminate. It's possible, don't get me wrong.
Or maybe buy a sticker.
Should I ask that guy where you get that, if they have this thing so you can stick it behind the refrigerator? Can I ask you one? How much is one of these?
It's $22.98.
Does it have one with grout?
The grout,
A look to it so you don't have to do it yourself.
I know. Hot here.
Very hot in here. But if they had that look in those sheets, I'd probably do that to cover behind the refrigerator because it'd be a lot cheaper.
Yeah, I know.
Even a piece of wood.
And here you have such.
Yeah, that's real.
Yeah, I know.
What's this? Or even if you did something like this to the countertop.
Yeah, that's what I mean. And I don't know if it's good for countertops or if it's for floor.
I think the other thing's
Yeah,
cheaper and
because it
better
says
off.
floor.
Yeah, I think the other thing that I was.
Although it says wall.
Let's go check in the white cabinets and get. Oh, here it is. See, I'd like something like that.
Yeah.
But one of these for $32, I don't think so.
Yeah.
That's a ripoff. They have these online. And they're probably cheaper. Just out of curiosity, let's see if we can find a scan. I want to see what this is.
I think full of daisies maybe for
Huh?
full box of this. Or not. Actually now maybe one for $6 or something.
Oh, you know what I could do, Gosha?
What?
Get a piece of, take a piece of wood from home, right? Buy some cheap tiles and practice on it. But that'd be the last thing I'd want. But I don't think it would cost that much just to do a little portion of what we already have. See the skin on it?